Veggie pittas, you will need some butternut squash, some mushrooms, some onion, garlic, olive oil, and of course your pitta. So to prepare the squash is very simple. We're going to put all of the ingredients into the bowl and mix them together. So in goes the squash. I've got some salt, some pepper and some chili powder. And I'm going to pour on a small amount of olive oil. Mix it together. Okay, so now this is ready to be roasted on gas mark 6, about 210 for about 30 minutes until it's got a slight bite. The squash has now been cooking for about 25 minutes and it's nearly ready. So we're going to prepare the mushrooms. First of all, we're going to fry the onions in some olive oil and sunflower oil. You're going to fry them until they're nice and soft and going a bit brown. That should probably take a few minutes. Make sure that your oil is on a medium heat, not too high, otherwise you'll burn your onions. Okay, so now we're going to add the garlic. Give that a little stir. And then you can pour in all of your mushrooms. Mix them together and cook them till they're nicely softened. You're welcome to add some black pepper or a little bit of salt to this if you want to. And if it's a little dry, like you can see mine is, you can add another little drop of olive oil to it. Okay, you can leave that to cook now for another 2 to 3 minutes, but do stir it every so often. I'm going to heat the pitta breads until they're warmed through. I'm going to use a griddle, but if you don't have one of these, a grill works just as well. We're now going to put the pittas together. So now I'm going to take a pitta, it's nice and warm, and I'm going to put some spinach in there. And some tomato. And then we're going to fill it with the butternut squash and some of the mushroom mix. So there you have it, a veggie pitta with butternut squash and mushrooms. I got what you need.